You too. Morning. What up? It's your boy Zeke, back with another one. All right, let me show you what we're working with. All right, so first off, this is our little path. It's a little walkway. There's a couple empty spots. This is our unit. Take a step back. GoPro is dead, so I'm using my phone today. But it's our unit. Short coil, short furnace, keeping the plenum. Let me see what I could do to swap all of this around. All right, so let me try to give you a view of the front. Once again, working off boards and beams. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. All right. That's what the front looks like. That's what I'll be working with. So, yeah. That's what I'm gonna be working on today. Let's get it done. All right, so I'm literally up in the beams, as y'all can see. I have no space. So, bear with me today. It's gonna be mad close. But I'm gonna start with this flue pipe. All right, so our flue pipe's out the way. Let's get the gas. All right, gas is disconnected. As you see, we got 3/4. With the union, had to take that off. Nothing was tight. So everything was just free spinning. Let's get this high voltage, low voltage, and then get this return off. All right, so our high voltage is disconnected. Let's get this low voltage out of here and then separate this return. All right, high voltage is disconnected. Got it right there, laying on the floor, ran together. It's only 4 wires for the thermostat, so if y'all been following my videos, you already know what we gonna do. All right, let me get this return. The filter rack disconnected, and let's get the supply off. All right, so return is completely loose. Let's get this supply loose. All right, so our plenum is completely loose. Plenum's loose. Let me cut this line set, and then this this drain. Line set is cut. As you can see, this filter dryer has frozen over. Icy. All right, let's cut this drain and then get this coil down, furnace down, bring the new stuff up. All right, so our drain is cut. Let's get this coil out the way and proceed with the furnace. All right, so I got my coil down. As you can see, this joint is hard piped in, but nothing is secure. So plenum drop. Let's make sure we don't have to replace this. All right, y'all. Let me try to strap this plenum up some. It's looking crazy. Let's get it strapped up so we can get it up out of the furnace up out of here. All right, y'all. So I was able to cut this down some so we can get our transition done. All right, let me get this screwed, this leveled, centered, all that good stuff. All right, y'all. So we finally got this return on. It was a struggle. You see, I'm on these beams, which doesn't help out at all. That I gotta get up under there. All right, so let me get this taped up. Let me get the supply taped up. We'll hit the high voltage, low voltage, gas, flue pipe, drain, let him braze it in. Let's get about this attic. All right, y'all, we got the return taped up. Nice and clean. Let me go get some beauty plates so I can finish this little transition right here. And then I got one on the back side. All right, y'all, transition's all the way done. We sealed up all the way around. So what we got next? Let's do our high voltage. All right, y'all, high voltage is ran in the cabinet. I'm gonna get it tied in. Oh, come on, focus. All right, high voltage is done. Let's close this up and then do low voltage. All right, y'all, we just got the gas done, reconnected this union. I got a drip leg, flex. So now we have left is low voltage, flue pipe, drain, and we're about to get it brazed in right now. All right, y'all, so we're about to get this brazed in. We got our easy trap, our thermo trap, Boom. Got that sprayed inside here so insulation don't catch on fire. We'll burn up the TXV. Also got a little around the filter dryer. Arrow always facing towards the unit. All right, let's get this brazed in real quick. I don't know how well y'all can see the little cone, but this is the ideal flame for brazing. Yeah. All right, y'all. So we are brazed in. Liquid line, suction line. Joints is nice and clean. Nice. This one the same. Nice. All right, let me let them know to put some pressure on this guy. All right, y'all, so we got this in here. Let's get the low voltage wired up real quick and close the cabinet. Y'all, low voltage is in there, wired up, nice and neat in the cabinet. About to get the zip tie screwed up so that could be cleaned up. All right, let's close it up. All right, y'all, so flue pipe is done. Let's connect it. Just gotta do this drain. Let's get up out of here. YouTube, what up? It's your boy Zeke. We done. Finito. It's a wrap. Let's get out this hot ass attic. All right, so this is how she turned out. Got a drain pan. Still had to flip this back around, but it's all good. Line set. Got our drain strapped up. Make sure it's pitched correctly and it's gonna drain. Strapped up right there. Slide on over this way. Yeah. So, got our furnace, coil, flue pipes on there. She's all masticed up. Got our gas, got our high voltage, returns on, put some mastic on there. Got our gas on. Yeah, a drain pan, pan switch, inline switches that way. Yeah, she's done. Wasn't too bad. I didn't have to extend any ducts. Had to cut down my supply plenum, do a nice little transition, but it's not bad. I'll take that. All right, let's get up out this attic.